Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing $100, $500, or even $1,000 deposited into your account. All while being a full-time student. Sounds unreal, right? Well, I'm about to show you 3 legit ways to make $10,000 in just a few months without quitting school or working a boring 9-to-5 job. Let's dive in. Method number 1. Freelancing. Get paid for your skills. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start making money online. Companies and individuals are always looking for people who can help with graphic design, video editing, writing and copywriting, social media management, programming and coding. How to start. 1. Go to websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or PeoplePerher. 2. Create a profile showcasing your skills. Even if you're a beginner, you can start small. 3. Apply for simple gigs and build your portfolio. Earnings potential. Beginner freelancers make $10, $50 per project. After 1 to 2 months, you can charge $100, $500 per project. Many students hit $2,000, $5,000 per month within their first few months. If you spend 2 to 3 hours a day freelancing, you could easily reach $10,000 in a few months. Method number 2. Faceless YouTube channel. Make money without showing your face. Think YouTube is only for influencers. Think again. You don't need to be on camera to make money on YouTube. How to start. 1. Pick a niche like motivational videos, finance, history, or study tips. 2. Get free stock videos from Pexels, Pixabay, or Storyblocks. 3. Use AI voiceovers or hire a narrator from Fiverr. 4. Edit with CapCut or Adobe Premiere Pro and post consistently. Earnings potential. Once monetized, YouTube pays $3, $10 per 1,000 views. A video with 100,000 views can make $300, $1,000. Many faceless YouTube channels make $5,000, $10,000 per month with viral videos. If you post 3 to 5 videos per week, you can start earning within 2 to 3 months. Method number 3. Affiliate marketing. Get paid to recommend products. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make passive income. You promote products, and when someone buys using your link, you earn a commission. How to start. 1. Sign up for Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Digistore24. 2. Find trending products in tech, fashion, or online courses. 3. Share your affiliate links through TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. 4. Every sale earns you 5% to 50% commission. Earnings potential. If you promote a $50 product with a 10% commission, you earn $5 per sale. Selling 20 to 50 products daily can bring in $100, $500 per day. Viral TikTok videos with affiliate links can make $10,000 plus in a few months. Affiliate marketing is great for passive income. Once your links are out there, they keep making money. Which method will you try first? Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-making tips. See you in the next video.